everyone. I am Dr. Tushar Vidongi, Assistant Professor in Department of Zoology, Swami Vivekananda Senior College, Mantra. In BSc first year, I teach the subject Protozoa to Annelida, which is the first paper, which having the 6 bits and have to cover in 45 lectures. This is very interesting paper which is having a basic phylums of the life science. Like first one begin with the introduction to animal kingdom, which have contained the definition of zoology, outline classification, protozoa, parazoa, metazoa and various major phyla are discussed. The second bit is covered with the protozoa, which having a general characters. Specially focus is given on the Plasmodium vivax, which is very important for the study, and the information about this Plasmodium vivax is very also significant to the every student. That's why it is very important to study in details, because this Plasmodium vivax is spreading the malaria and the fevers and making too much losses. That's why the study this Plasmodium vivax is very important. So followed by this Plasmodium vivax, the structure, pathogenicity, control measures, etc., along with the treatment of malaria. Then Entamoeba histolytica and Euglena, these are have to be discussed or have to discuss in this bit. Dear friends, the Porifera phylum, the general characters, only the special focus is given on the cycon, which is also called as a Scypha. Okay, so the morphology, the different types of cells in cycons, the canal system in Porifera, which help to locomotions, that is also is to be discussed. Then the fourth bits, which is the Cylindrata, the general characters. In this Cylindrata phylum, the special study the species Obelia for the morphology, their colony, in the development of Hydra, as well as polymorphism in Cylindrata. The fifth bit, which is allotted to the helminths, which is having three different parasites. In the beginning, the general characters of helminths. Then specially how to study in this topic, that is Fasciola hepatica, which is the life cycle, pathogenicity and control measure. Similarly followed by Taenia solium, Ascaris lumbricoides, etc. are given in the syllabus as per the syllabus. So dear friends, helminths is one of the most important bits also, which is making too much losses in the agriculture field as well as the human being, because the various parasite infection is taking place among the population as well as the cattle, and they are making too much losses. That's why the parasitological study, a very introductory part, is to be given here in the helminths. Then the last bit of this paper is given on the Annelida, which is a general character, and the special specimen study is about the leech. The morphology, digestive, excretory and reproductive system is need to be discussed. So likely this is briefly the idea of this first paper, which is given for the or allotted for the BSc first paper of the zoology. The name is the Protozoa and Annelida, which is given by the as per the university for the BSc first year. So thank you for watching this video, dear friends.